風綁手很難負荷，人人想擊倒怎會好過？平淡夠了，從未要冠軍的什麼。你值得擁有最浪漫那個，才學做達人，為求沒有辜負你陪伴我，天天當你孩子般去可。世界中化作漩渦，有我照顧你，風起浪逝，瀟灑走過。說到最愛你，請頒個世一給我。即使爸媽教我謙虛些不會錯，愛你非要第一不可。我愛你愛到高手全都輸給我，找好知己有我，找好歸宿有我，平時害羞的我，求第一欣賞你，安心依靠我，變更好的我。For you, yeah, yeah. For you, yeah, yeah. For you, yeah, yeah. Never needed the cameras, never needed the praise. Only thing that I wanted was when you calling my name. Never needed this money, okay maybe a little, just so you can look fly, but you make it look so simple. Long as I got you with me, I don't need to stress. Don't need no accolade to tell the world that I'm blessed. Cause baby you're the best. Come take me as your trophy. Show me up to your friends and look at me when you're lonely. And if this cold world's cold for you to take a breath, and if this pain is out of your heart weighing on your chest, I'll take this coat off me and wrap it around your dress. Cause who am I, baby, you know. 哪個最愛你請頒個世一給我，即使爸媽教我謙虛些不會錯，愛你非要第一不可。我愛你愛到高手全都輸給我，找好知己有我，找好歸宿有我，平時害羞的我，求第一欣賞你，安心依靠我。I will give you my all， 因你笑奶重要似奇遇競賽，無心競逐動作，我性格注重讓新人振奮我的事不多，唯因你可以激起我鬥志，在乎要直上月球上唱情歌。世界太細了，請頒個如一給我，因天公偏愛我，找一粒星照我，賜我一世幸福花火。個個也愛你，可惜誰都輸給我，很感激這個你，只喜歡這個我，明明極黑的我，能負擔只因你偏偏選中我，這世一的我。
Dear passengers, on behalf of Carlin Motor Bus Company, I would like to welcome you on board our route number 57A to Po-King. Further announcements will be made as we approach various midway bus stops. It is our pleasure to have you on board, and we wish you a pleasant journey. 各位乘客，欢迎乘坐九龙巴士公司67A 线。本班车将由葵冲回惠村开往宝岩，中途将有广播提示各位乘客下车，祝各位旅途愉快。